Unfortunate news coming in from Puri, where the Rath Yatra is taking place for Lord Jagannath. A stampede has taken place in Puri during the Rath Yatra. 3 people have died and at least 50 injured in the stampede is what we're learning. The stampede took place near the Gundicha temple, near the chariot when it was being pulled is what we're learning. My colleague Manogya Loiwal joins us with more details. Manogya, take us through exactly what happened. We're learning that 3 people have died in this stampede.
Well, 3 people have died and more than 50 have been left injured in the stampede that took place in the wee hours of the morning. We've been given to understand that the prayers that were taking place in front of Lord Jagannath Rath, Nandi Ghosh, which is primarily standing in front of Gundicha temple. Now, this takes an entire process and the rituals have to be followed according to the prescribed format. That's the reason why the deity had to sit in the chariot continuously for 2 nights, and he will be moving into the temple today, Gundicha temple today, which is also his Masi's place. That's the reason why lakhs and millions of followers and devotees had gathered to catch a glimpse of him even at night. And it is believed that when they were trying to reach nearer to the Rath, to the chariot, that's when the stampede took place. That has left 3 people injured and has left that has left 3 people dead and has left more than 50 injured. We have been given to understand that most of the injured have been treated. Some of them have been released for their back home, have been asked to leave because they're in better conditions. However, the challenges are galore because the crowd is swelling, and today being a Sunday, it is expected to be even more than ever before.
Right, Manogya, take us through the security arrangements as well and crowd management arrangements that have been put in place. It seems there was overcrowding and push and pull that happened at the last moment near the chariot, which led to this unfortunate stampede. But what are the preparations that are being made on ground now as well?
Well, there has been deployment of more than 10,000 police personnel. The police administration has been claiming that there has been ample security apparatus. However, the kind of crowd is unprecedented. And of course, for 2 days being a weekend, there have been more challenges than ever. We're given to understand that the present situation looks under control. However, the crowd being a Sunday is just on one of these roads here. Everything has been blocked. Most of the people want to reach out to the Gundicha temple where they want to catch a glimpse of Lord Jagannath. Everything is chock-a-block, but that isn't stopping people from walking even 10, 15, 20 kilometers that they want to reach out to. Now, this is also a challenge where the cops have been blocking the roads, the restriction of movement, but there seems to be no end to the swelling of crowd, and that itself is a Herculean task.
First, Manogya, and what exactly are the police saying as well as far as the crowd is concerned? Has it been consistent since day one? Because we are ending the near end or closure of the Yatra, which will perhaps come to an end on the 5th of July. But has the crowd been consistent on all these days?
Well, you have to understand one thing, that the rituals take usually 24 hours. However, we are given to understand that it's been more than 2 days. It is unprecedented already, where they have ensured that the entire process and the puja that continues. Here you see, I'm just giving you an idea of the kind of clearance that they have to do on multiple roads. Nothing is being allowed inside. There is so much of crowd already. The police and the administration is trying tirelessly to control the situation, but with that there are more challenges than you see on ground.